The way that light is coming in from the window is putting a real glare on my glasses. Can you see my eyes? There I am. Anyway, I'm sitting here having breakfast. I'm just eating some cereal right here. And I'm figuring out all the stuff I need to do today. So first I need to mail some orders. I might need to flip this. Hold on. Okay, I think that's better. I kind of got used to looking right here, so I need to have it on the right side. Anyway, so I need to mail some orders off, ship some orders out. Hey. I also need to drop off some things at the Goodwill. I've been riding around with them in my trunk for a while. So what I normally do is just as I'm gathering items around the house that need to go to the Goodwill, I just keep adding them to the trunk. And then once I reach a level where I think it's, you know, pretty satisfactory and I want to empty out the trunk, I'll just drive over to the Goodwill, and that way everything stays out of the house, stays in the trunk. It can be dropped off at any time. So I have reached the capacity of that, so I'm going to make a Goodwill drop. They got a lot of stuff out here. The other thing I need to do is stop by the ATM machine. I say that I stays with money. That's my one of my little mottos or phrases that I love to say. But I don't stays with cash all the time. And at times I do need cash, so I got to stop by the ATM, grab some moolah. Who's going to be done first at the ATM? A or B? Leave a comment below. No, that's so corny. A or B? Ooh, A. The line I was in. Thank you. Okay, all set. And I made some Amazon orders this morning, so hopefully, actually, I think 3 of the things that I ordered are coming in today, so I'll be receiving those, and I'll share with you those items as they come in. My Amazon stuff came. I got a new tripod. This is good. It's good. Looks very good. Okay. So these are some of the favors from my daughter's party. She wanted to give everybody a squishy. Oh, good. And they're all prepackaged. A snail, a pig, a little chickie, a cloud, a rabbit maybe, a cat, an octopus, a shark, a handprint, a star, a seal. I'm not sure what this is. Like a panda bear, another cat, polar bear, a rabbit, maybe, another cat. What is this? Like a walrus or something? It's probably just supposed to be a cat sitting up, a bear, and a rabbit. So I'm gonna package up the party bags once those get here. And here is slap bracelets. Do y'all remember slap bracelets from back in the day? More skate, less hate, bro. So we're focusing on really the keychains and the stickers. We don't really want, we're not using the temporary tattoos. We don't get into that. But there's some stickers in here somebody might be interested in. And then here's the temporary tattoos. We could toss those. And then these little buttons, pins. Those are pretty cute. And then this is the main attraction that the order was made for. Just for these. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, these are nice. They're looking. So correction, these are actually the temporary tattoos. Just on closer inspection, found out these are actually the stickers. And so they're individual stickers, which is also great for a goodie bag. And then one more box came here. I can't remember what all was supposed to be here today. So this is the purple tablecloth I ordered. It has a little sparkle to it. It's an interesting material, but it's gonna look good on the table. These are the skirts I ordered for my daughter's actual birthday, and I guess they just got here. So this is a black one. Another black one? Did I order two black ones? Or is this blue? I think this is supposed to be dark blue and black. Okay, so that's what we got. And then the other thing I want to try to do today is I have plans to visit a friend of mine. She just had a baby on Friday. Oh, today's Monday, December 4th. Happy Monday. She had her baby, a little boy. He's so cute. On December 1st, my daughter's birthday. So they share a birthday now. And me and my husband are also godparents of one of her daughters. She has 3 girls and now she has a boy. So I got to go see her.
Come in.
So I got a little bit lost in the hospital. Can you hear me? I got a little bit lost in the hospital visiting my friend. So now I'm out here walking because I got lost inside the hospital. So now I have to take this long walk to get back to my car. It's in the garage. So I've been walking for a very long time. So do you remember when I said I was supposed to be starting my exercise routine today? I have officially started. Yes. Well, I'm not going on the treadmill today. I have to do it before the end of the night. And I will say that this is officially taking the place of the treadmill. I am hiking it. So I was walking all over the hospital thinking I was going down the right hallways. And I come out on the whole other side. So, yeah. Exercise, check. My car is in here. Alright, I don't... Uh-oh, where's my ticket? And I don't know if you heard me, but bring your ticket with you. Okay, well, it's in my hand right now. But yeah, my exercise routine, or whatever I was gonna start today, was gonna have me walking 5 minutes for the day, and I successfully did that. I was just walking for more than 5 minutes, actually, so I'm good. Let's see if I can get out of here. I didn't bring my ticket inside the hospital, so I don't know. Whew. I feel it. I feel the burn. I do. Excuse me. Do you work in the parking lot?
What do you need? Did you scan your ticket at the front?
I don't know what that means.
Okay, so when you walk in, you have to they validate the parking ticket. So if you walk in, it's okay. Just hit the help button over there.
Okay.
So at the gate, you'll see it on just at the side. It'll ring, and then they'll open for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Scan your ticket or pass.
Scan your ticket? Okay.
Your ticket was not validated. Press the help button for assistance. Wait until gate opens and please drive safely.
Yes. Well, then what's the purpose? I thought I was going to have to pay. Thankfully, I did not. I was talking about how I'm limiting what I'm sharing in my vlogs. And I was talking to my husband about not showing the kids and everybody. My husband already doesn't want to be in any of the videos. He's said that from way back with my other channel. So I have another channel. It's always linked below in case you want to check it out. It's a DIY channel. I know he's specifically in one video, and I think he might be in a couple of others. But he doesn't really want to be in videos. And I kind of not sure about sharing my kids in the videos, so I'm not sharing them so far. And I was talking about that with my husband and my son, who's 10 years old. He's the one that's been singing in the background, singing Mary Did You Know. He likes to play music on Alexa while he's making his food, if he's, you know, getting a little snack together, or if he's making his lunch, or if he's making a plate of food. He loves to just have the music going, and he loves to sing. So he was telling me, oh, nobody's going to watch your vlogs if you don't share your family. If you don't show your kids, nobody's going to watch. I guess that's just the price I have to pay for not sharing them. But maybe, I don't know. You might see them pop up. I'm not sure. But for now, they're not in. But yeah, that's what he said. Nobody's going to watch. So is that true? Is anybody watching? If not, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. It's fun over here. Anyway, I might add some other little things throughout my day that I need to do. Of course, I need to work. So I am working. What else? Oh, I did want to explain about this week is the week of consecration. You're probably not familiar with that terminology, but the week of consecration is a time that, actually, I need to finish my cereal. My milk is getting warm. I'm going to come back and explain about the week of consecration.
Right there on the armrest. There's always a little conflict with these two because Katie likes to get my attention. And as soon as she gets up here, Blondie wants attention. And she gets real jealous. You can't get up here.